Mrs. Andrea here. I want to go over the correct way of brushing your little one's teeth. Okay, so here are some teeth, and what you want to do is just start out by going in a circular motion. Alright, when on the outside of the teeth, you want to do that for the top, and you want to do that for the bottom. Okay, now when we get on the inside, we want to do more of a sweep. So we're going to sweep even these front teeth. We're going to sweep. Okay, when we get on top of the teeth, we also want to sweep. We want to get all that stuff out. Sweep, sweep, sweep. Sweep those teeth. Alright, so remember, when you're on the outside, we go in circles, and when we're on the inside, we're going to sweep everything out. Make sense? And don't forget about that tongue, alright? Catch you next time. Bye-bye.